Tomahawk steak mukbang. Guys, my mom and dad made this for me, so everybody say thank you, mom and dad. First bite for you. Bus. Bacon wrapped asparagus. Sweet potato. Sweet potato mixed with steak. Buzz.
Yep. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I needed this today. It's an Aldi steak. It's a ribeye. We did it. We done did it. I cooked it a little different today. I started off with olive oil in the pan into a tiny sliver of butter because I didn't want to smoke up my house. I love the crust, but I just didn't want to smoke up my house. And it's so cold outside, I didn't want to have to open a window. So this is cooked perfectly. How's yours, Ash?
Good.
Good. So good. I know people love when I do this. I hope you all had a good day. I was starting to feel hangry. Could you tell, Asher?
What?
I was a little hangry.
You were angry?
Hangry.
A little bit. Actually, a lot of it.
Son,
What?
your mom can cook a steak. Look at that. I think we did good. Good crust. I hope you all are able to find time to get to Aldi, buy a ribeye, cook it in a ton of butter, and have a wonderful meal.
That looks insane. This is delish. I got 2 of these for $18 at Trader Joe's. Look at that. It's a little more rare than I normally do, but this is almost the perfect temperature. I am so happy with my cast iron, guys. Literally the best investment. And it's actually so much cheaper than I thought. Mine was like $40. For some reason, I thought they'd be like $80. I'm gonna give this one to my dog. All right. Have a blessed night.
Hey y'all, today we got a bone-in ribeye steak with some chimichurri sauce. This is looking like well done, of course, because I always mess it up. Y'all, let me know what I'm supposed to do, like to cook it medium, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just cooking a steak because I want a steak. It's mighty good, that's all I can say. Take a bite, y'all. Just the right amount of spice to it. I'll cut a few pieces here. Does anybody else love fat? I love fat. Love it. It's just so juicy and flavorful. A lot of people do not like fat, and that's understandable. If you don't like it, you don't like it. But me, I'm gonna have some. This was all I needed tonight. Oh, I'm so mad it came out well done. I knew I should have took it off way earlier, and for some reason, I just didn't. I should have.
Heidi ho, neighbors. We have a ribeye. That's right. Okay. All right. Our medium friends will be happy tonight. Okay. I've got my Rada cutlery, which I absolutely love. I miss that medium steak. It's perfect. Is daylight savings time nearly killing you? Because I'm exhausted. I just can't get with it. So I just keep eating steak. You want some? You can eat it with me. Here you go. Yeah. I don't have anything to say. Go make yourself a steak. Enjoy your night.
Check out this T-bone steak my daughter made. Let's dig in. So tender. some of my yolk wasted. The yolk. My favorite part of the egg is the yolk.
I cut the steak. You tell me what the temp is. It should be medium. You tell me. Is it medium? Perfect. Medium. Do I even have to say how delicious that is? It's good. It's very good.
I've got a giant Wagyu ribeye. I just risked my life for this steak. The side is your hint as to why. Go check out my last video. But anyway, let's dig in. I still hope it turns out good. Wait, I think it did. Y'all, I smoked this ribeye. That looks so good. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that is insane. I don't care, this is still a W. It's so smoky. Scoot this down. Worth every minute. That actually looks crazy. Yeah, that is how you want a steak to look. You wanna buy? Wow, this is so good. It's so tender, incredible. I think it was worth the effort. Let me know if you've ever smoked a steak before. If you haven't, this might be your sign to try it. Or maybe don't. I don't know, but this was really good. If you guys want to try some Wagyu, make sure to go get some from RH10 Wagyu. I have a discount code, so go treat yourself. Have a blessed day.
This steak literally looks so good. I only ever eat filet, but when I went to Costco, they had some prime New York strips. And so I had to try it. Let's see the cook on this. That's a pretty good medium rare, more rare. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. I've never really had a New York strip, but let's try it. I have some salt. First bite of New York strip steak. The flavor's definitely there because I cooked it in a pan with garlic and rosemary, but I just don't know if I like the texture. Like, I genuinely don't understand how people could choose this over filet. I mean, yeah, I understand like the price difference maybe, but filet just melts in your mouth and it's so tender. This is just kind of mid. flavor's amazing though. I have not been posting recently because I've been like non-stop sick. I'm gonna try to start posting more. Yeah, for you guys that have had New York before, like, is that what it's supposed to look like? I feel like I usually like my meat a little bit more rare, but I think with this it's not as tender as filet, so you want to cook it a little more. But it's pretty good. Like, how much fat is on that?
Okay, usually my steaks aren't this thick, so I think I did a good job. But I don't know, you guys tell me otherwise sometimes, but I honestly think like the thicker the steak is, like the better it cooks. And like it's got a pretty crust. I probably could have left it on a little bit longer. But like when you don't cook a steak all the way, the ends are always cooked, you know? But I usually just get my steak from like the prepackaged section. And today I got it from the butcher. And it is gorgeous. This is my second favorite steak, by the way. A New York strip. It's behind a ribeye, but sometimes if it's a really good New York strip, like it's hard to choose.
For dinner, I ate the exact same thing, just a different protein. Yeah. Bread was dipped in the steak oils. A little raw.
It's currently midnight and I was craving a tomahawk steak. It's cooked perfectly to a medium rare. Pair it up with some avocado. The steak has a really thick fat cap, so it's extra juicy and succulent. Slap an egg on top. Also got some lobster tails to make a surf and turf. R.I.P. Larry. This whole steak ran me about $60. Gotta make sure I hit my protein goals. I'm definitely gonna be sleeping well tonight. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend.
My tummy is gonna be in shambles.
onion boil, garlic boil. You big dumb idiot. What did you think was gonna happen? My first tomahawk steak. Excuse me, I cooked this. It's not my first time eating one, but it's my first time cooking one. This is the drippings and butter. I need to cut into this immediately. And then we also got some ramen. Oh. This actually might be overdone. It is overdone, but that is okay. This was my first one. We're learning. It's definitely a learning curve because it's not like cooking a regular ribeye. It is so good though. That is steamy. Do you want some? One of the best flavor combos. Okay, onion boil. And of course I've got my garlic. Okay. It's actually crunchier than I expected. I left it in for an hour. Make it to the middle and see how soft. See, that one's soft. Okay. Okay, so this is the soft part, which is such a bummer. Overcook the steak, undercook the onion. I love you guys and happy Friday. Bye.
All right, let's eat this. Oh my gosh, why do I do that every time? I'm gonna cut into it. Let's see. Oh yes, perfect. Listen, I know some of you guys hate this, but it's literally a perfect steak. Oh my gosh. And if you've just never tried it because you're freaked out about the blood, it's not even blood actually, look it up. I love A1. I would eat it at the fanciest steak restaurant ever. Ooh, first bite. Someone commented on my last video and said, I didn't see her swallow one time. In this economy, everyone's going crazy though about that. Steak beef, right? You guys really don't like the fat? That's insane. That's the best part. Pink, warm center. Like, just give me all the fat. It's so good. Look, that looks like a little pizza. Look at her. You guys scared her away. Now she doesn't even want to come close. You can come over here. I ain't scared of those people on TikTok. You're just a little baby. She's just a baby. She's a clean girl. And for anyone saying I'm copying, blah, 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 you do it too for a check.
Ribeye for dinner tonight. Someone hacked into my TikTok account. I am so sad. I'm so sad. I had 1,400 followers on there, which is not a lot to most people, but it was a lot to me. I even had a goal of reaching 1K by the end of May, which I achieved. And then about a week and a half later, someone just takes my account from me. I'm gonna try to go for medium rare. Oh yeah, she's beautiful. The scary part is that I had a lot of videos in my drafts and that I had put on private of my kids and my family and just a lot of like personal things. And so the fact that that person has access to all of those things and I just can't do anything about it is just really scary. The internet is a really scary place. Having to build the algorithm and then build your following and comment here and comment there is a lot of work. Having to set up and film and edit and post is just a lot of work. And the fact that someone thought that they can just take it from me, it's just really upsetting. I'm really angry. I'm working with the TikTok support team to try and get my account back. I have really high hopes that I'll get it back. I haven't given up just yet. That's gonna be a good bite. The hacker changed my password, my email, my phone number to the account. They even logged into my TikTok studio, so there was no way I could access my account through there. I just don't understand why they couldn't make their own account when they had to replace my phone number, email, and all that information to something of their own. So I just don't get why they couldn't have made their own account. Why did they have to go and take mine? A nice fatty piece. So if you come across this video, please show my page some love and support. I'd really much appreciate it. Tomato. Yum. Crunchy. Stay safe out there and happy eating.
Hey guys, I made some dinner for tonight and let's get into it. I got a New York steak strip and I got guac and I fried an egg. I haven't cooked steak in a very, very long time, but it looks pretty good. Okay, that's like perfect how I like it. We're gonna dip it in the egg. It's amazing. I don't like the fatty parts. Arizona tea. Do another bite. I've been studying all day for my final. I'm so excited for it to be summer. Dip it in the guac. I get all my recipes from TikTok, of course. Do egg and guac. Big piece. Here's the full board. Tan lines coming in. Guys, should I start like a cooking channel? Cheers. Look at that juice. So perfect. I've been trying to eat like right and get my protein up. It is just like very expensive, surprisingly. $15 for this thing.